Right now it's time to lose control. Just slacking in. This year's the year that it's all happening. I'm in the mode, my vibes are skyrocketing. Shut the door, the vibes, they need locking in. This kid's too sick, nobody's stopping him. And this shit, that's why everyone's forgetting.